And in terms of training, right, AVEVA Select California hosts a wide variety of different types of training, whether it's events like this, or maybe it's a Learn in 30. We host fairly frequently free workshops. We also do full training courses that are instructor-led. That's been traditionally since COVID virtually, but we've done some hybrid courses as well. We can even do custom courses, right, where we customize the content to really kind of hone in and maximize the value that you and your team gets out of that course. And we can kind of work with you of what that means and what that kind of looks like. And some of the examples there have been, hey, yes, we want to go and learn the software, but we want to apply that knowledge that we just learned to our system. So we actually carve out some time to apply that newly learned knowledge to our own environment so that it really sinks in, makes a ton of sense. We can even get started on, basic, example reports and configuration changes to a existing system. And then there's things that are hosted and managed by AVEVA, right? Some examples of that are like the e-learning module as well that is available through that link on the bottom, where you can have a wide variety of on-demand learning that's available. And a while ago, probably about 4 or 5 years ago, the whole monitoring control content is absolutely complimentary and free. So you could go to that website, register if you have an account, and take advantage of that content. So that can be, some tidbits on application server, InTouch, Historian, Edge, right? All those components and training modules are free. And the nice thing is that it's on demand, right? It's a learn as you go, learn at your own pace kind of thing.